How to make a product sold out in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you how to make a product appear to be sold out. So basically, people won't be able to buy it, won't be able to add it to carts. In this case, people will be able to. So as you can see, and we want to change that. We want to make it so that it is actually sold out, and it says so. It does say sold out. So it is very simple and easy to do. So let's just go ahead and get to it. So in this case, we have two different sample products here. I'm just going to turn the red one here to sold out. This one is just going to remain the same. So all we need to do is just go ahead and go to our Shopify admin dashboard. And then from here, you just wanted to go to the products section. And this is pretty much all there is to it, the inventory here. As long as it actually says there's some sort of inventory with that product. So in this case, we have 124 for this one and this number for the other one. So, we can actually see that we have some items in them. So if we change that so it is 0, that's when it's actually going to be sold out. So we can just go in and hit or click on the product that we want. And then we can just go to the quantity. So the quantity section is going to have the available products that we have. So in this case, let's just say it is sold out. So you would want to change this to basically 0. And this, just go ahead and make it 0 as well. 0, just click on save. And then we pretty much have quantity updated, and now available is pretty much 0. If it says 0, you're pretty much good to go. You can just go ahead, exit out of here, and you can actually see it says now in red 0 in stock. In that case, if we just go back to our online store here and we view it, we can actually see now that we are going to have a sold out product. This one is not affected. This one is pretty much sold out. If people try to click on it still, they will see it. They will see the information about it. They will see the description. They will see the title of it, the vendor, the price point. But it says right next to the price point that it is actually sold out. They won't be able to buy it now. They won't be able to check out. So this is pretty much how to turn it into a sold out product. If you want to turn it back so that it is working and again people will be able to purchase it again, in that case, again, you just want to go to products. Same thing here. So same idea. This time is just going to be the opposite. So you want to go to the red one or the product that you want to add some quantity in. Go down to quantity, go to available, and set up how many of that product do you actually have. So let's say we have now new 50 new back in stock. Again, view our online store, and now it's no longer going to be sold out. People will be able to purchase this item freely. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.